Steam cleaners for tile are an excellent method to thoroughly clean and sterilize tile surfaces without using harsh chemicals. They function by heating water to create steam, which is then directed onto the tile surface to remove dirt and grime. There are many products available to choose from among steam cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Depre Neat Steam Cleaner. The Depre Neat Steam Cleaner is a strong, heavy-duty steamer that can clean, degrease, and deodorize any surface without the need for chemicals. At temperatures of up to 275°F/135°C, it can successfully destroy 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. It has a huge capacity and can clean for up to 50 minutes per fill, making it ideal for cleaning floors as well. Furthermore, you may use any standard towel or cloth, reducing the need for pricey specialty pads. The best features: chemical-free cleaning. Can eliminate 99.99% of germs and viruses. The large capacity allows for up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill. It can be used on any surface, making it an adaptable cleaning tool. Number 2. Wagner SprayTech Elite Steamer. The Wagner SprayTech Elite Steamer multi-purpose mop uses high-temperature steam to clean a variety of surfaces. It includes 20 attachments and parts, including a triangular steam mop and cleaning pad for floors, a carpet glider attachment for carpets, and more. The steamer is simple to use, with an orange light indicating when it is ready for use. It is ideal for cleaning stained concrete, ceramic tile, linoleum, vinyl, marble, sealed hardwood, granite, and more. The best features: uses high-temperature steam to clean surfaces. Includes 20 accessories and components. Easy to use, with an orange light indicator. Number 3. McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner cleans many surfaces without using chemicals, including floors, countertops, appliances, and automobiles. It comes with 20 flexible attachments, a high-capacity tank, and a long power cable and steam hose for reaching difficult-to-reach areas. With on-demand variable steam control and 58 psi steam pressure, it heats up in less than 12 minutes and can supply up to 90 minutes of steam. Furthermore, it comes with a 2-year guarantee and excellent customer service. The best features: chemical-free cleaning. The large capacity tank provides up to 90 minutes of steam. Includes 20 flexible attachments. Extra long power cables and steam hoses provide more reach. Number 4. Karcher SC3 Portable Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. The Karcher SC3 Portable Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner is a chemical-free steam cleaner that warms up in 40 seconds and eliminates up to 99.9% of household germs and viruses. It can clean a variety of surfaces, such as stone, grout, LVT, vinyl, tile, and laminate floors, as well as windows, mirrors, and appliances. It increases the cleaning surface with lamella technology and has a flexible nozzle joint and extension tubes for accessing hard-to-reach areas. The kit comprises many attachments, and the device has a 3-year limited guarantee. The best features: heats up in 40 seconds. Kills up to 99.9% of household bacteria and viruses. Can clean a wide range of surfaces, including floors, windows, mirrors, and appliances. Maximizes cleaning surfaces with lamella technology. Flexible nozzle joint and extension tubes for added maneuverability and reach. Number 5. Pure Enrichment Pure Clean Steam Cleaner. The Pure Enrichment Pure Clean Steam Cleaner is a 1500-watt multi-purpose household system that employs natural steam cleaning to remove oil, filth, and stains without using harsh chemicals. The 18-piece heavy-duty package offers everything you need to properly spot clean your home, car, and floors. The steam cleaner is suitable for use on a wide range of surfaces, including ceramic tile, granite, waterproof wood floors, laminate tiles, car/furniture upholstery, most cotton and wool carpets, and washable wallpaper. Using 98 degrees Fahrenheit steam, it successfully removes tenacious dirt and other contaminants from various surfaces and materials. The best features: uses all-natural steam cleaning to remove oil, dirt, and stains without using harsh chemicals. The 18-piece heavy-duty kit contains everything you need for professional spot cleaning. Safe for use on a wide range of surfaces, including ceramic tile, granite, waterproof wood floors, laminate tiles, car/furniture upholstery, most cotton and wool carpets, and washable wallpaper. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.